Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to create equalizer preset for your headphones Sony LinkBuds. You have to start by opening the application. Now scroll down a little bit and right here we have equalizer, so click here. Now click here and move to the right. We have custom 2 and custom 1, so let's start with custom 1 because I haven't here nothing. Click the settings icon and now choose the best one for you. Just move the sliders and move it on the bottom on the clear bus. After you finish, click OK and we have it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!